When you search for the best snow roof rake, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Extreme Max Roof Snow Rake. The Extreme Max 5600.320 7 shingle saver caught my eye right away with its unique angled blade design and lightweight aluminum construction. Priced at $59.81, it's an affordable option that's been rated 4.2 stars from over 1,700 reviews. If you want an effective tool for snow removal that won't damage your roof, this is worth a serious look. So, here's what makes this rake stand out. The 21-foot reach with a 24-inch blade means you can easily tackle snow on low-pitched roofs and even two-story houses. The angled blade allows you to effectively push snow without needing to climb up dangerously. Plus, the blade rollers are specifically designed to protect your shingles while removing snow, which is a big deal if you care about your roof's integrity. With an easy snap button assembly, you can quickly put together without hassle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows you to clear snow efficiently while keeping your feet safely on the ground. Now, some users have mentioned that while it's lightweight, it can feel a bit flimsy during heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and use it as intended, it's still a solid tool that gets the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner looking for a reliable, budget-friendly tool for snow removal. Skip this one if you have extremely heavy snow loads or if you're expecting to use it for commercial purposes. For the price, it really delivers great value. Now, if the Extreme Max's potential flimsy feeling concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its innovative design. Product number 2, Snow Peeler Premium Roof Rake. Next up is the Snow Peeler Premium Roof Rake, which is priced at $174.95 and boasts a 4.3-star rating from 1,700 reviews. The telescopic handle caught my attention because it can extend up to 30 feet, letting you reach those hard-to-access areas without leaning over dangerously. What's great about the Snow Peeler is its unique design that allows you to stay safely on the ground while effectively removing snow. With its large aluminum head and protective glide pads, it not only removes the snow, but also safeguards your roof from damage. The telescoping design means you can customize the length based on your needs, making it super handy for various roof types. Here's why this matters. It helps prevent ice dams by ensuring snow is removed efficiently, protecting your roofing investment. However, some customers have noted that it can be a bit heavy when fully extended. But honestly, if you're dealing with heavy snow, a sturdy tool is what you need, and this rake provides just that. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality tool that prioritizes safety and effective snow removal. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option or have a very small roof. For the investment, you're getting a well-engineered tool that should last for years. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more straightforward approach. Product number 3, Avalanche Roof Snow Rake. Now, let's talk about the Avalanche Roof Snow Rake, priced at $136.72 and holding an impressive 4.4-star rating from 1,200 reviews. The first thing that caught my eye was its quick snap-together assembly. No tools required. This rake features a fiberglass pole that extends to 15.5 feet, which means you can work from the ground without the hassle of a ladder. The smooth 17-inch wide slide allows snow to glide off easily, which is crucial for preventing buildup that could damage your roof. And the 1.5-inch wheels make it easier to maneuver over asphalt shingles. Here's why this matters for you. It minimizes the risk of roof damage while ensuring that snow removal is quick and efficient. That said, some users mention that it might struggle with very packed snow. But here's the thing. If you're careful and remove snow regularly, this rake is still an excellent choice that saves you from potential roof disasters. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly tool that simplifies snow removal. Skip this one if you typically deal with thick, icy snow, as it might not be as effective. For the price, this is a solid option that balances quality and convenience. Speaking of convenience, the next one is a USA-made option that prioritizes protection. Product number 4, USA-made snow roof rake. Next is the USA-made snow roof rake, retailing for $69.99 and boasting a 4.6-star rating from 236 reviews. The unique thing here is its shingles saver rollers, which caught my attention. They actually prevent the shovel head from touching your roof. Constructed from high-quality, lightweight aluminum, this rake is designed for ease of use. It's long enough to reach most roofs effectively while being sturdy enough to handle regular snow loads. This means you can clear snow without the worry of damaging your shingles or gutters. Here's why this matters. Protecting your roof surface is crucial for maintaining its longevity and preventing leaks. However, some reviews mention that it might not be as durable as other options during heavy-duty use. But I'll be real with you. If you're using it for regular snow clearing, it does the job well without breaking your budget. This is perfect for you if you want a balance between quality and affordability in your snow removal tools. Skip this one if you need something for commercial or heavy-duty use. For the price, this is a great value. Now, if the USA-made option sounds promising but you're looking for something even more heavy-duty, the last product on our list is designed for just that. Product number 5, Avalanche, Heavy-Duty Roof Snow Rake. Last but not least, we have the Avalanche, Heavy-Duty Roof Snow Rake, priced at $160.43 and rated 4.2 stars from 609 reviews. This model features a heavy-duty slide that's designed for tougher jobs, and I was drawn to its robust build. It's similar in design to the previous Avalanche rake, but is tailored for more demanding conditions, including metal and cedar shake roofs. The 3-inch wheels provide excellent maneuverability, allowing you to clear snow with ease. The heavy-duty vinyl-coated slide is both tear-resistant and effective, ensuring that snow slides off efficiently. Here's why this matters. It helps keep your roof safe from potential damage caused by heavy snow accumulation. That said, some users did mention that it might be a bit bulky to store. But here's the thing. If you're dealing with heavy snow, a bit more weight can actually be a good thing as it indicates durability and effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you require a reliable tool for heavy-duty snow removal. Skip this one if you have a small roof and need something easier to handle. For the price, it's a worthwhile investment for those facing serious winter weather. So, to recap, we had the Extreme Max Roof Rake, a budget-friendly pick, the Snow Peeler, which is all about safety and efficiency, the Avalanche Roof Rake, easy to assemble and use, the USA-made option, which offers solid quality, and finally, the heavy-duty Avalanche, designed for tough conditions. Whatever your needs are this winter, there's a reliable option here for you.